guys. Okay guys. Gising natin guys. 7 days na guys. Laki na size. Ayan guys. Hospital pen natin guys. Diyan natin ilagay yung ano, yung maitim, yung maliit para makarecover pa sila guys. Ayan, mga sugat. So, bitad guys. Okay.